How long would it take to drink the entire ocean with a single straw? Stick around for the mind-blowing answer. All right, imagine this. You're sitting on the beach enjoying the view when suddenly a ridiculous thought pops into your head. What if I grabbed a straw and just started drinking? Could I actually drain the entire ocean? And how long would it take? Let's break this down, one sip at a time. The Earth's oceans hold a combined total of 352 quintillion gallons of water. That's 352 followed by 18 zeros. So much water that if you tried to picture it, your brain would probably just short circuit. Now let's talk about how fast a normal person can drink through a straw. We're not talking about some record-breaking competitive eater. We're talking about an average person, casually sipping on a drink. A decent sip is about 0.1 gallons per minute, which means 6 gallons per hour, 96 gallons per day, assuming you're drinking for 16 hours straight and taking no breaks, 35,000 gallons per year. Now for the fun part, how long would it take to drink the entire ocean at that speed? If you take 352 quintillion gallons and divide it by 96 gallons per day, you get a number so enormous, it makes the universe look young. The final answer? 10 quadrillion years. For perspective, the entire universe is only about 13.8 billion years old. That means even if you started drinking at the very beginning of time itself, you wouldn't even be close to finishing. In fact, you'd barely be making progress compared to how fast water is constantly being added back into the ocean through rain and rivers. And here's the kicker, you wouldn't even survive long enough to get through the first few sips. Drinking salt water actually dehydrates you because of its high salt content. Your kidneys can't process it fast enough, meaning you'd get thirstier the more you drink, until eventually, well, let's just say this isn't a challenge you'd want to take on. So, unless you have 10 quadrillion years, an indestructible stomach, and a truly irrational level of commitment, this is one challenge you might want to sit out. Follow for more ridiculous calculations and let me know in the comments. What's the most you've ever drank in one sitting?